select yes. Let's go! In this quick, drop a like and subscribe, or this glitch will simply not work. What's going on, guys? It's GrizzHood here, back with a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to unlock $100 on your PS4 system. Now with this glitch, you guys will instantly be able to purchase anything that you guys want out of the PS4 store. That includes packs and anything that you guys may need to simply go ahead to have on your PS4. Cool thing about this glitch is you guys do not need PS Plus in order to do this glitch. Now just before we dive into the action, make sure you guys go ahead and drop a like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications, because you guys do know these glitches do get patched, so I will be letting you guys know which glitches are working once the new one is updated. Now the first thing that you guys want to do is simply go ahead and scroll the settings, select that, and scroll all the way down to where it says System Software Update. Now once you guys have done that, select X and it should go ahead and load up. Now it should say the latest version of this system software is already installed. If it does not, make sure you guys go ahead and do that now. Once you guys have verified that, go ahead and select X and it's going to bring you back to this screen. Now once you guys are here, instantly the next step that you guys want to do is go ahead and make sure that you guys have this www. If you guys do not have this, instantly what you guys want to do is scroll all the way down to where it says library and simply go ahead and hit start. Once you guys are in here, make sure you guys go ahead and find the one that says www in here and simply go ahead and select it to put it inside your lineup. Once you guys have it in your lineup, go ahead and select O just to bring you guys back to this lineup. Now once here, simply go ahead and scroll all the way down to the one that says www and go ahead and select X one time. Now once it's here, it's going to load up this screen. Simply go ahead and select the R2 button one time. Now once it brings up this section right here, you guys want to make sure that you guys are paying close attention. And you want to enter in exactly what I'm putting in on my screen right now, and it's simply going to be www. You want to put dot, and it's going to be PSN, and then you want to simply put in user. Boom. And it should look exactly the way that it looks on my screen right now. Now simply go ahead and select go. Now once you guys select go, it's going to bring up this screen right here. You want to simply go ahead and hover around and select this little gray box here. Select X on that. Now once it simply loads up, you guys want to go ahead and scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you guys are going to go ahead and select the one that says PlayStation 100. Now all you guys want to do is wait for everything to connect so it can go ahead and start the process. Now simply once it go ahead and hit this section right here, you guys want to go ahead and equip yourself with a pen and paper, because you want to make sure that you guys put down the proper spelling and the proper letters of what the code is about to give you here right now. And if you guys want to make it even simpler, you can simply go ahead and take out your phone and go ahead and take a picture of it. Now once you guys have that in, simply go ahead and select the one that says show full code. Now once you guys have select X on that, it's going to simply go ahead and open up a new browser here, and it's going to go ahead and say select one of these. Now all you guys want to do next is go ahead and simply select one of these and go ahead and select one. Now once you guys have selected this last section here, it's going to simply go ahead and open the new section right here, and all you guys want to do is go ahead and completely fill it out. Now instantly what you guys want to do is go ahead and select the one that says PlayStation Store. Select X on that. Once you guys are here, you want to simply go ahead and scroll all the way down to you guys select the one that says redeem codes. Now it's going to bring you guys here. Now this is where you guys want to put in the full code, including the code that you guys took a picture of or wrote down earlier. Now for me, it's going to simply be, make sure I got my caps locks on, and it's going to be U X P B G 4 E T. Going to be R G 6 H, and then I'm going to go ahead and select done. Now, if you guys have the proper code, you should have a check mark just like you guys have on my screen right now. All you guys want to do is go ahead and simply select continue. Perfect. And as you guys can see, it says this code has a value of $100. Do you guys want to add these funds to your wallet? You want to simply go ahead and select yes. Let's go! And there we have it, guys. We literally just got $100 PSN on our PS4. Make sure you guys go ahead and drop a like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. And if you guys simply need help, make sure you guys comment the correct spelling of your PS4 username down below. But into the next video, I'm up out of here.